And here's mine. Wow. That's a lot more impressive. Don't even dream of trying it.
Okay.
Whatever. I'll put together my own little tea party.
Awesome!
Everything's so small, even the sugar cubes.
Yes! What?
What, do you have like 2 drops of tea? But at least it looks really cute.
I've got it!
Mmm, such a sweet donut.
Wow!
And the tea goes perfectly. I'll show you how you're meant to eat a donut right now. I just gotta open my mouth wider. Well, that isn't working at all, is it? That means I'll just use this donut as a floaty then.
Cool!
Whoa, that fits on you like a glove.
Ciao.
Sea and sun, I am loving this. I wouldn't mind joining her.
Surprise!
Hey! Oh, hi! What are you doing here? I'm here to eat that donut already. No, don't!
Oh no!
I'm sinking! Ooh, man, that was exciting.